Hi, David Schweer, Director of Product Marketing here with Prysm. We're at ISE 2018 and I want to show you some of our latest announcements and features that we're demoing. Over my left-hand shoulder we have Prysm Go. It's running on an Avocor display. This is our basic whiteboarding and wireless screen sharing solution. Of course, you can sign in and go to the full Prysm experience. What I'm really excited to show you is for the first time we're demoing the Windows 10 app. You can download this from the Windows Store. What it does is extends our in-room experience all the way down to the desktop, gives you a complete end-to-end experience so you can own before, during, and after the meeting. And then we have some of our valued display partners. So if you think about your in-room experiences, Prysm doesn't care what kind of display that you have. We have a planar display over my left shoulder. We have an Avocor display over our right shoulder. Most of the time these displays can't talk. But when you add Prysm to the mix, now the displays can communicate with each other, rooms can communicate with each other, and most importantly, teams can do some real collaboration. Both of these displays are powered by Prysm. And then our final area is our huddle space and hoteling space. So again, we have our Windows 10 app running on a Surface. And then behind me, we also have some smaller displays. We understand that some room sizes are just very small. You need a small display to do it. All connected on the same cloud. We're running it in the cloud here at the booth. We've been doing about 3 to 5 megabits. Very low internet needs, low internet requirements. We're very pleased with some of the advancements we've made there. So these are the exciting things that we have announced at ISE. You can find more information about this stuff at prysm.com. You can also follow us on Twitter at Prysm_Inc.